Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Released in 2016, this flagship smartphone was meant to compete at the highest level, but a battery defect caused some units to overheat and catch fire. Airlines banned it from flights, and regulators forced a global recall. Samsung permanently discontinued the model, making it one of the most infamous product bans in tech history and a major lesson in battery safety and quality control. Google Glass. Introduced as futuristic smart glasses, Google Glass faced bans in cinemas, casinos, and workplaces due to privacy concerns. People feared being recorded without consent. Although not illegal nationwide, it was widely restricted in public and commercial spaces, showing how social acceptance can determine a product's survival as much as technology itself. Hoverboards. Self-balancing scooters exploded in popularity around 2015, but many models had faulty lithium-ion batteries that caught fire. Airlines, schools, and even entire cities temporarily banned them. Major retailers pulled them from shelves until safety certifications improved, highlighting the risks of rapid mass production without strict safety standards. Flipper Zero. This portable hacking tool can interact with RFID, infrared, and wireless signals, making it popular among cybersecurity enthusiasts. However, concerns about car theft and signal spoofing led to restrictions and import bans in some regions. The controversy reflects the fine line between security research tools and devices that can be misused. DJI Drones. Certain DJI drone models have been banned or restricted by governments over national security concerns. In the United States and other countries, some agencies were prohibited from using them due to fears about data transmission. These bans reveal how geopolitics increasingly affects consumer technology companies. Huawei 5G equipment. Huawei's telecommunications hardware was banned or restricted in multiple countries over concerns about potential espionage. Governments argued that critical infrastructure should not rely on equipment from companies they considered security risks. This became one of the most significant tech bans tied directly to global politics. Kaspersky Antivirus. The cybersecurity company faced bans from government systems in several countries due to allegations of ties to foreign intelligence agencies. While the company denied wrongdoing, official restrictions limited its use in public institutions. The case shows how trust and national security shape the software market. Amazon Ring Neighbors app. This neighborhood crime reporting app faced bans or restrictions in some communities due to privacy and surveillance concerns. Critics argued it encouraged racial profiling and excessive data sharing with law enforcement. In certain areas, partnerships were suspended, reflecting growing scrutiny of surveillance technology. TikTok on government devices. The popular short video app has been banned on government-issued devices in multiple countries over data security concerns. Officials worried about how user information might be accessed or stored. While still widely available to the public in many regions, these targeted bans highlight tensions between entertainment platforms and national security. ChatGPT in Italy, temporary ban. In 2023, Italy's Data Protection Authority temporarily banned ChatGPT over privacy concerns and data handling transparency. The restriction was lifted after changes were made to address regulatory requirements. This marked one of the first major regulatory actions against a generative AI platform in Europe. PlayStation 2 in China. For years, China banned the sale of most video game consoles, including the PlayStation 2, due to concerns about youth addiction and cultural influence. The restriction lasted over a decade before being lifted. The ban significantly shaped the gaming market in the region. Kinder Surprise with embedded electronics mods. Modified versions of consumer products that embedded hidden electronics, including altered toys and gadgets, have been banned in various countries when they violated safety or import regulations. These cases show that even familiar products can be restricted if modified in ways that bypass consumer protection laws.